Okay, so there is some smaller topic which I'm going to discuss because these commands we usually forgot. If you are not working as a DevOps engineer, we have multiple things, Kubernetes, Python, and everything. So that's why I'm just taking some small topic also here. So when we say quoting, so is used to disable special treatment of certain characters and words as well as to prevent parameter expansion and preserve what is quoted. Simply, we can say just passing the value as it is. There are two methods, single quotes, double quotes, and escape characters. So when we will use this backslash, this character, then a non-quoted backslash is the best character and preserves the literal value of the next character with a single exception new line. Single quotes the literal value of every character. Double quotes the literal value of most character. We will see the example. We'll just complete the theory part clearly. Now these are the examples. Like if you are passing with double quotes, then pass this to the variable also, and then this is pass the value or print that. And here that backslash is also working. So we will do this practically, and then like simple globing. So using the partial matching to work with group of files and directories. So globing is primarily used to match patterns in file name or text by using a wildcard character. Question mark match any single character. Asterisk match any number of character. Brackets match characters from a range. Caret used to match starting character. So we will see later, but let's see the practical example so that we can remember this. Suppose we will take first example. So nothing has been printed, but if we will take this backslash here, so it should print that value. Yeah, so it is printing that. Now what we can do to skip more than one character in a text string, either use the backslash character multiple times or enclose the whole string in a single quotes to interpret literally. Single quotes preserve the literal meaning of all character. So let's see that. First, so you can see that that special character was not visible, but if we use backslash, it is printed. But another matter, it is saying that that is our double quotes also, we can use that. So what it is, single quotes, sorry. So we just use that. It is printing that. Now coming to the next thing, use double quotation marks to suppress globbing, file name pattern matching, and cell expansion, but still allow command and variable substitution. So let's see practical example now. Whenever we want to print a variable, we need to take that variable or print it through the dollar. So now this is the variable which we had declared and value we had passed, but through the dollar only we will print it. Now another example, echo hostname is. What it is trying to say is Variable substitution is conceptually identical to the command substitution. So where like this variable substitution can be done through the command substitution, and we can see this example here. So variable name, earlier if this double quotes were not there, then it should not print that. Now it is taking this as it is, but when we put it inside the double quotes, so what is happening here? Double quotation marks to suppress globbing, file name pattern matching, and shell expansion. Command and variable substitution. Variable substitution is conceptually identical to the command substitution, but might use optional brace syntax. Observe the following example of various quotation marks forms. So we can see this example. Now coming to the another example. So it is printed as it is. Now let's take it inside double quotes. Now still, because we have used backslash here, now we will remove that and then we will try to do that. So it is coming. Now coming to the another one. Not good at scripting, but I'm just making these videos so I can also remember these things, because scripting I have not done much. So I'm just making these videos so it will be helpful for other user also and for me also in future. So it is coming at will variable Prashant evaluate to Prashant. So host name is coming and variable value is coming. So we can see that double quotes is working. Now coming to the single quotation mark to interpret all enclosed text little besides suppressing globbing and cell expansion. Single quotation also direct the cell to suppress command and variable. Okay, let's start it practically. So will variable where will value to host name. So it is printed as it is. So what it is saying, single quotation marks to interpret all enclosed text literally. Besides suppressing, globbing a single quotation also directs the cell to suppress command and variable substitution. Okay, now coming to the another thing. So we just understood single quotation will not replace these variable. We have to use double quotation. But for that purpose, we can just print the value, like for comment or these things we can use this. And this, let's take these two example also. Then it will be finished. And it is taking hello. So special character will remain there word, and we have to put backslash before that. Now another thing is we have to put all this inside double quotes. So now inside double quotes hello world, it is printing as it is. So that's all for my side. This is just for basic thing.